Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to fix this error. Could not find document in your UI file for Custom UI Append command. So I've got this simple plugin which adds a UI page, and it'll be showed when you type /show page. And then this UI page is very simple. It basically just adds this MyUI.ui file, which is over here, and it's got like a panel, a label, a text input. If you're not sure how to make UI, I've got a lot of tutorials on my channel about it. Also, the code for this will be in the description. So the first thing you should make sure to do is make sure your UI file is inside common/UI/custom, not just in the root directory here. So you should make a directory like this and make sure the UI is in capitals, and then just drag over your UI file. And over here, if you've got any images that your UI file depends on, they should be in the same folder. And then you want to head over to your build command and make sure these paths are relative to the custom directory. So since they're in custom right now, I don't put any directory here. But if, for example, I made a new directory called pages, and then I moved these into it, then I would need to add pages right here for it to find it. But I'm going to remove that for now. Okay, and now you should test if this fixes your problem. This is the only error that I added into my example project, but I'll go over a few other issues that you could have if this doesn't fix it. But as you can see now, if I type /show page, my UI opens instead of kicking me. So if that didn't fix it, you should check if your jar contains your UI file. You can do that by going over to your mods folder and then taking your jar file and copy pasting it. And then you can just rename it to a .zip, because jar files are just .zip files with a different extension. So if you rename it, and then you can open it and explore what's inside it. Alternatively, if you have WinRAR or 7-zip installed, you can just open it like you would an archive. So go over down here to 7-zip, open archive. This is everything inside your plugin. You can just ignore these files here. This is just because I didn't delete the file before rebuilding it. So because I moved everything, I've now got 2 versions of UI. But if I go over to Common UI Custom, then you can see that I've got my UI in this folder here. If you don't have your UI here, then just make sure you've got it in the correct directory in your resources folder. And then if it's not there at all, then it's likely an issue with Maven or Gradle, depending on which one you're using. This is the pom.xml for the plugin template by Hytale Modding. So as you can see over here, it includes a build, resources, and then some filtering stuff. This actually does break the resources directory. So if you're using this template, then you just need to remove the includes line here. And then if you rebuild your project, your UI file should be there. If your UI file is still missing from your jar file, or if you're using Gradle, I would recommend joining the Hytale Modding Discord. I'll have an invite in the description, but it's just discord.gg/Hytale Modding, and making a post there and people can help you. The last thing I can recommend is checking the asset editor. So this is if your jar file contains your UI file, then check the asset editor over here. You can access this by pressing B if you've not changed any settings, or if you just open your inventory in creative mode, go over to this tab in asset editor. This is all the assets in the server. So what you want to do is click this arrow in the top left, and you should find a package here with your mod. If you don't have this, then it's actually a simple fix. You just go to your manifest.json, and you need to have includes asset pack true inside it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Remember to subscribe.